Hi, I'm John Russo, and this is the first in a series of videos that my office is creating to report to you on what's happening with legal issues here in the city of Oakland. Recently, we filed a public nuisance complaint in Alameda County Superior Court against the East Bay Municipal Utilities District. That's EBMUD, the people who provide water to the East Bay. Now, we don't bring a lawsuit against a fellow public agency lightly. EBMUD is an essential part of our lives. Unfortunately, we felt we had no choice in this matter, and to help you understand the basis for our lawsuit, it's important that we show you some really compelling visual information about some of the problems that we are having with EBMUD. Now, if you take a look, what you're seeing is an image of the reservoir in the slide area. Here you can see the location of the reservoir to the slide area. Now, the slide occurred in May of 2006, about 10 months ago, and this house that you see here, 2866 McKillop, slid several feet down the hill, and 5 other properties were red tagged and yellow tagged as the earth continued to move. As part of the investigation to determine the source of the slide, the City Attorney's Office filed a public records request with EBMUD about the maintenance and repair of the central reservoir. We received some information and we reviewed 3 of the 12 dive inspection tapes that had been performed by EBMUD in July of 2006. Now, these tapes documented the southeast area of the reservoir, which is nearby where the houses slid down the hill and is the area that we believe to be most suspect. At that time, in July of 2006, there were 3 documented leaks in this section alone. This video, remember, was taken 2 months after the May 2006 slide, and it's also after EBMUD had said there were no leaks in the reservoir. This video, EBMUD says they have patched these leaks, and maybe they have, and there's no reason to believe they haven't. However, the fact is there has been no real comprehensive renovation of this reservoir since Dwight Eisenhower was president. Our primary concern is that a patchwork approach to solving a problem of this nature is exactly what happened in New Orleans. The Katrina disaster was due largely to the unwillingness and inability of authorities to do complete and thorough repairs to the levees, not just expedient quick fixes. Regardless of their explanations and excuses, the Band-Aid approaches by EBMUD to rectify a potentially catastrophic problem have to come to an end. We don't want a Katrina fiasco in the Diamond District in the Oakland Hills. Oddly, we were also told by EBMUD that they would not comply with some of our public record requests due to national security concerns. I consider, as does Council President De La Fuente, I consider protecting the homes on McKillop from further slide damage a clear example of homeland security. Frankly, there are better odds that we will be hit by an earthquake on the Hayward Fault before we're sabotaged by bin Laden and his hoods. Our hope is that by filing this action, we will get EBMUD's attention. We will get them back to the bargaining table to work together with the city in good faith to be able to come up with a solution that works for those people whose homes have already fallen down the hill, that will prevent other such personal disasters for families who are living in that area, and that we can work this out in a way that makes sense for all the parties concerned. Now, if you want any more information on this lawsuit or any of the other lawsuits that we are working on, that we are either bringing or defending here at the City Attorney's Office, please don't hesitate to go to our website, which is www.oaklandcityattorney.org. Thanks so much for taking the time.